Hey y'all, and welcome to the Millennial Ranch. This is actually our first official YouTube video. So if you are watching this right now, we just want to say thank you. Thank you. We wanted to let y'all know that we are two millennials working 9 to 5s. And in May of 2025, we bought this 1980s ranch house. And today we're actually going to go ahead and finally give you guys our first YouTube video, not just shorts, and a full tour of the before. So when we say before, we do mean before the chaos, before the dust, and before we question all of our life choices. So if you love home renovations, old homes, or watching two millennials learn expensive lessons in real time, I'm gonna need you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now because it's about to get real. Let's just go inside. So this is the foyer. Classic ranch layout, all one level, tons of space, and what we like to call good bones. As you can see, it really has good bones. And yes, the house needs work, a lot of work, but the potential really is here. And that's exactly why we chose this house. The potential is huge. Even if some of the design choices were bold from the previous owners. That brings us to the kitchen and this laundry room. Just so many different colors. The yellow and the green kitchen, everything in here is original, outdated, and committed to color scheme. Cabinets, countertops, layout, it's all very much yellow. This space will eventually be completely redone, but for now we wanted to document it in all its glory. Because one day, when this kitchen and this house looks totally different, we want proof that we survived this era of our lives. If you're excited to see the kitchen not be yellow and green anymore, subscribe because you're going to want to see the glow up. Next stop is the guest bathroom, and this one comes with damage. The previous owners did a DIY renovation, and while we love the confidence, we do not love their results. What looks like cosmetic issues turned out to be real, actual problems. Uneven finishes, questionable choices, mold, and things that were done very much not the right way. This bathroom is a renovation waiting to happen. If you enjoy before and after content and mildly stressful home discoveries, go ahead and hit the subscribe button once again because this bathroom alone deserves its own series. Now, this is the oversized laundry room. And honestly, why is it so big? Right now, it's not cute, but the space has so much potential, storage, functionality, and promise. So stick around for what we end up doing here because this space is definitely getting the glow up also. Finally, the backyard. And I'll take you into more spaces later, but this space is huge, private and peaceful. The second we walk back here, we could picture future projects, gatherings, finally having room to breathe, even with all the work in the side of the house. The backyard reminded us why we said yes to this place in the first place. It's one of the biggest reasons we took this renovation on. So that's the before tour of some of our 1980s ranch. Outdated rooms, DIY damage, a very committed color palette, but also a ton of potential. So we're showing you the wins, the mistakes, the budget talks, and everything in between. Hit the subscribe button and join us for the journey. Trust us, you're not going to want to miss this. Welcome to the ranch, y'all.